Sony X8500 single soundbar. Main features are speaker maximum output power is 25 watts. Connectivity technology is wired, wireless. Audio output mode surround. Mounting type is wall mount. 7.1. Touch Dolby Atmos/DTS:X with vertical sound engine. Dual built-in subwoofers for deep bass. All sound upscaled close to 7.1. Touch audio. 7 different sound modes to enhance your entertainment experience. Voice enhancement for greater clarity. Slim, low-profile design complements your TV. 4K HDR pass-through enabled to ensure a high-quality entertainment experience. One cable HDMI ear for simple, high-quality connection to your TV. Easily integrates with your AV system with HDMI and optical inputs. Included components: batteries for remote commander, wall mount template, quick setup guide, instruction manual, HDMI cable, remote commander, RMT, AH501, UAC adapter, cable length 2M, EC cord. Special feature is subwoofer, Dolby enabled.